how to fix TikTok privacy settings. Now it depends upon, first of all, what kind of privacy setting you are trying to fix. If it is your profile visibility, post visibility, and so on, we can open up TikTok, come to our profile page, tap on the three lines icon from the top right hand side, and simply go to settings and privacy. From there at the top, we can go to the option called privacy and select it. And from privacy, we can see various other options. So we can choose to restrict privacy for comments, mentions, direct messages, reuse of content, downloads, following list, liked videos, favorite sounds, viewers, and blocked accounts. These are all the options that you can customize if you want to select your privacy settings manually. So you can also actually turn on private account if that's what you're looking for. You can also turn on or turn off your activity status and so on. That is all for today's video. I hope the video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.